Today I share with you how to make Nigerian shawarma, all the due process you need to know to get this done. I'm going to be sharing with you on this recipe. It's very good, especially for breakfast. You are going to love it. To begin, guys, we are going to be needing all-purpose flour. Then add in salt to taste. All you have to do is to mix that together. Add in water, 1 cup of water. Mix that until you have a strong dough. So what you add next is oil. You have to mix that. At this point, you don't need any other thing. This is what you just need to get this done. So I got to transfer that inside one surface, add a little bit of flour and keep on mixing that. I will keep on mixing until I have strong dough like this. It's not going to be that strong or it's not going to be that soft. Just like this is okay. I keep that aside to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, I open this what it look like. So what I do now is to transfer that inside back to the wall surface. Take the cutter to divide that into this small chunk like this. So after dividing all of it, all I do is to take one of it and roll it tight ball sign like this. So I have to roll that until it's tight, and yeah, this is what I do to the rest of it. Just keep on rolling all of it one after the other. If you haven't shared the video, this is the right time to share this video, and it's going to be your favorite recipe, and everything you need to know to get this done is what I'm showing you on this recipe. It's very good for everyone to try. So take one of it and take your roller to get that roll like this. So after doing that, use oil and then add a little bit of flour on top of it, so that when you do the rest you are going to add on top of it, it's not going to stick together. So keep it aside and keep on doing the rest of it like that. So this is how to make tortilla wrap before you can use it for your shawarma. So this is just it. So I will just keep that in there again, then keep on doing the rest of it. So this one is the last one. I will just keep on the same process. So you just have to roll that to have that cycle sign like this, then take it back to the rest. So because you are adding it oil, it's not going to stick together. So what I do now is to bring back all of it back here. So now I'm going to be using this to roll it all over again. So after rolling, it's going to be flat like this. What you have to do next is to use this anything cycle to cut it so that we have one shape. So this is me using this plate to get that cycle shape like this. So I keep the rest aside. Now I open that. This is what I have. Wow, I just love it. Everything come out so nice. So you have to take all of it. So what you do next is to have pan like this. So grease that with oil. You don't have oil, just grease it. Then transfer that back inside this pan. So all you have to do here is to be turning it after 1 minute. You have to turn the other side like this. So guys, just turn it like this. So you have to be sweeping up and down like this. All you have to do is to be bringing it one after the other like this. You can see this first one have just done and it's ready to bring out. So I sweep the other side, then bring the other side out like this. So just like that, we get all of it out. So what we are preparing now is this filling. So I'm going to be needing egg, so that is 2 cooked egg. Then smash that, then add in this cabbage. The same time adding carrot. So next I'm going to be adding is mayonnaise. So all I do is to get that mixed together. So mix something, it gets combined like this. So this is what it look like. So at this point I'm going to transfer that back inside the wrap. So I'm going to be adding 2 spoons like that, then cover that. So this is how I get that cover. It was so simple and it was so nice. So guys, you have to share this video. This is so good for breakfast and you are just going to love it if you follow this process. Your children, your husband, everyone around you is going to appreciate you for this. So this is how I get it covered. I'm going to be covering all of them. Each of the wrap I use 2 wrap to cover one, so that is just it. So 2 in 1 wrap. So that's how you have to get it done for you to get that nice and lovely cover like this. So this is just how you get to roll it, just so simple and slow. It's going to cover nice like this. So this is it. So this is how I just use the wrap. This is the first one, then I'm going to take the second one like this and put it on top, then adding the filling like this. So this is what you have to know on this recipe. It's very easy to get done and it's so delicious for everyone to try. Don't forget to share this video and follow this process. It's going to be helpful to you. How to mix your batter, how to roll it, how to get everything done is what I show you. So share the video and get this done. So what you have to do is to transfer it back to that pan. get that hot again before you can be eating and enjoy. So you just put two of it and turn it like this. So yeah, look at that. So you have to bring that out, then cut it. Look at inside there now, my people. This is so delicious. Wow, this shawarma is everything. It was so delicious, so simple, and so mouth-watering. Look at that now. All you have to do is to get this done for your family. They are going to appreciate you. I love you. Bye.